Thanks for joining me for this 5-minute floor-based mobility workout designed to help keep you moving well and support your longevity. Come down to the floor and let's begin. Put 5 minutes on the clock. First exercise we're going to do is called a Shin Box, or some people call it 90-90. It's to keep your hips strong. So one leg as if you're going to be cross-legged and the other leg is going to turn back. Okay, so that foot is facing away. We've got like a 90-degree angle here. You're going to support yourself with your hands, not too far away, not too close to the body, definitely not straining the wrists, and definitely not scrunching the lower back into the floor. So keeping your back straight and you're using your hands to support you. So, in this nice supported position, we're going to roll the feet until they're flat on the floor and the knees come up straight. And then we're going to roll our feet to the other side. So see what we're doing here? Rotating our hips internally and externally. Now, I can't emphasize how important this is, especially as we age. And if this is really challenging, please do it on a regular basis so it becomes easier. Now, if you notice, my torso is not moving around much. If you are a little bit stiff, you might find that you're moving around. But this is the first level, knees on the floor, ankles on the floor. Inward and outward rotation, and don't forget to breathe. And when this becomes easy, you can have your hands in front of you, which is more challenging, and then you might even want to go a bit further and come up like this. But for now, let's just do 5 more. Shin box. And speak properly, Tony. And if this is challenging, it means you need to do it more often. Couple more each side. Brilliant. So now we're going to do another exercise for mobility exercise for spinal mobility. So you can have your hands on all fours, hands shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart, keeping your back straight. So I'm going to round my back, pull my tummy up and in. Then I'm going to breathe out, my hips rotate forward, and I bend the back the other way. Just give you another angle on that. Breathing in. Breathing out. Can you see my hips rotating there? Tucked underneath, back is rounded. Breathe out. Bend the other way. Cat, cow. Let's do 5 more. How's that feel? Releasing tension around the spine. A couple more. Well done. Okay, so we've got a couple of minutes more, and the last thing we're going to do is a really excellent mobility drill called a Spinal Twist. So we're going to lie on the floor like a T. I'm going to lie down, arms out to the side. I'm looking to my left hand now. I'm lifting my left leg up. I'm taking my right hand and putting it on the side of my left leg. Now keep my shoulder on the floor. I'm going to pull this leg away from me, and you're going to feel the stretch from your shoulder, for your chest, down for your torso, into your hips, glutes, inner thigh like that. Try to keep your shoulder on the floor. It's very easy to touch the floor with your shoulder off the floor. Keep the shoulder on the floor, and let's pull that across. Let's do 5 deep breaths. Every time you breathe out, allow the stretch to go a little bit deeper. And again, you might find that your leg's up here somewhere, or you might feel very stiff. Do this regularly and notice how your body opens up. Couple more breaths. So my knees are not all the way down to the floor. I'm a bit stiff here. Last breath. How's that? We're going to do the other side now, okay? So I'm going to lie down. I'm going to look to my left hand, grab my right leg on the outside, and you're going to pull it across. Breathing in, breathing out. And feel the stretch in my chest, my hips, glutes. A couple more breaths. Last breath. And well done, we're all done. How's that for you? Do this every day, do it several times a week. It's super important, helps support your longevity. Now, if you got something from this video, please like it, I really appreciate that. And subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. And now you've done the seated 5-minute mobility workout, why don't you try the standing one? So why don't you give that a go there? But until I see you in the next video, please take the best care of yourself.